Alright, let's give this another shot. The good news is the battery is not in sight yet, which means, which basically means that if I continue this process enough, should be able to have a hole that's large enough for me to be able to actually just take this apart. The battery is not in sight yet, which is good, which means we haven't touched or risked it catching fire at this point. Let's see. I do want to be able to do this so that hopefully you can fix what's inside. You can figure out how to get this.
Likey.